Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality L Krishnaswami Bharathi. He was born on 26th of July 1904 in Tamil Nadu. He completed his education from Hindu College and Presidency College, Madras. He completed his law education from Trivandrum Law College and Madras Law College. He started his practice at Madras High Court. He was an active member of Indian National Congress. He joined Constituent Assembly from Madras on Congress party ticket. He spoke on various issues like he felt that Gandhi ideology is missing in the constitution. He was of opinion that administration of a particular state should be in the language which is spoken by the people of that state. He strongly opposed use of English in the proceedings of High Court, and he specifically spoke on this issue that he wanted regional languages and not High Court. So I will read that particular thing. On 21st of July 1947, I quote, "I do not know if sufficient attention has been given to the aspect of the matter. I do not think, sir, it is the intention of the mover that the proceedings in the High Court shall be in the English language. We are now talking of a national language or all India language. My personal view is that in every province, the provincial language shall be the language in which all the proceedings of the province, including those of High Court, shall be carried out. It may be that for some transitional period, we may have English language, but I do not think we can allow English to be the language of our High Courts for all the time to come." Unquote. So these were his views that provincial language should also be used in High Courts. We are thankful to him for giving his contribution in the making of our Constitution of India. Thank you.